In this video, we shall be developing panel unit roof tests using. It's the first time you are watching one of my video. Do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to put a thumbs up by liking a video. So coming back in unit roof test in STATA, knowing the importance of the unit roof test for econometric studies. First step in STATA test for unit roof in series is to set up data to be panels. Go in statistics, longitudinal panel data, and then go to setup utility and go declare data to be panel data. So then click here. So you have the possibility to select panel ID variable. Here is country ID, and you can select time variable and select your time variable, and then click on OK, and your data has been set as panel. So second step is to test for unit roof. To do so, you just need to go in statistics, longitudinal data, and then go to unit roof test. So in unit roof, we have a wide range of unit roof tests in data. We have living lean shoe, we have Aris Savalis, we have Brentuk, we have I'm Pezaran Shin, we have Fisher type, we have Hardry and then stationarity. So we'll keep a lean shoe, for example. We have to select first variable. We select randomly this variable, and can choose to include time trend in your series or not at all. So we can select to include time in the trend of our unit roof test. So I'll keep by default option for now. Then click on OK, and the result of living lean shoe test has been highlighted here on the screen. We have zero p-value, meaning that we cannot accept the null hypothesis of present roof in our series, meaning that our series is stationary. Go in longitudinal panel data analysis and go to unit. Make for example impedance shin test for the same variable, and we can also see that according to impedance shin test we have a p-value of 0.000, meaning that we can consider that our variable is stationary at 5% level, for example. So we hope this video have helped you understand how to run a unit roof test in STATA. So do not hesitate to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not even do so, and put the thumbs up, and it will be a pleasure for me to come back to you very soon.